Extreme Tools, a trusted name in professional grade toolboxes, now available at rollcabs.com. The EX7217, a serious toolbox by any standard. This 11-gauge steel frame box comes equipped with full extension drawers with heavy-duty ball-bearing glides. The stainless steel top is rated for 1,500 pounds. Each single glide drawer, 300 pounds, and each double glide drawer can hold up to an impressive 600 pounds. The stylish high-gloss powder-coated finish looks great in any garage or workspace. For those that demand the best in tools, look no further than the EX Series toolboxes with available accessories like this mounted side locker. Customize your perfect toolbox only at rollcabs.com.